How to tag someone on Facebook Reel after posting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can tag someone on a Reel after already posting it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Facebook. Now let me just post this Reel and share now. So there we go. Now while this Reel gets uploaded, if you guys are new to our channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to like the video. Now this Reel is almost uploaded. Now after uploading the Reel, what we'll do is we'll just head over to its settings. So let's wait till it finishes up, and it should be any time now. So there we go. Now after the Reel has been uploaded, you can just head over to the Reel, and on the bottom right corner you will see three dots. Tap on the three dots. After you do that, there you will see an option to edit. Tap on edit video, and after you tap on edit video, you will get an option here to tag people. Now all you have to do is tap on this @ option and mention some people. So here you can mention your friends, you can mention your anyone that you want, you can mention even yourself, and that is how you tag people. Now tap on done and tap on save. And that's basically how you can tag people on Reels after already posting it. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.